Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm doing a Sephora sale haul from the recent annual sale. If you guys are excited for that, make sure you subscribe before you get into the video, but without further ado, let's get into it. I'm gonna go ahead and start with some of the makeup products that I got. I got this Makeup by Mario palette. It's called Ethereal Eyes Moonlight, and honestly I've been looking to replace a couple of my palettes because I just feel like they're really old. I'm just trying to do a good cleanup. Look at how freaking gorgeous that is. Now you can see I already swatched it because I did go ahead and use it on my eyes, mainly this side, and then I used two of the glitters. I did use the black as well for my eyeliner, and the black was super pigmented, so I love that. So I did go ahead. Why do I always swatch so insanely? It's because I swatch it like this facing me, and then I'm like, oh, you guys can see too. Look at how freaking gorgeous those sparkly ones are. All of these felt really smooth and silky. The next thing that I got is the One Size mattifying waterproof setting spray. It's a long name. I love One Size. I love their blush, and I know that people swear by this. I typically like to have more of a glowy foundation, but I do feel like for an extra glam night, it might be fun to do something a little bit more set, especially if I know I'm gonna be out all night. But I did go ahead and try it on my face today. I think it definitely blurs and smooths and locks everything in. It doesn't add like any glow at all. So if you guys have oily skin, this would be a really good product for you to try. The next thing I got is the Makeup by Mario lip liner. I also have another shade of this and I really liked it, so I picked up the shade Daniel. It does come with a pencil sharpener as well, which is kind of cool, but probably raises the price. It's not necessary. If I could pay like a few dollars less to not have the pencil sharpener, I would do that, but you know, that's not an option. But this is what the shade looks like, and I am wearing it on my lips. I did put a lipstick on top, so you can tell it's just like a nice kind of warmy nude color. It's very creamy. It's definitely not the type that's gonna like stay on all night, but I don't mind that because then it's kind of like it doesn't get stuck in one place, it just kind of melts away. And then I like that it has this lip pencil as well because I like to blend in my lipsticks with the lip pencil. Okay, now we can get into some skincare stuff. I went ahead and got the Laneige Eggnog Lip Mask. These are like a constant empty for me. I never have enough, so I was like, let me treat myself to another scent because I've never smelled this one before. It's definitely like a familiar sort of spicy vanilla-y sort of scent going on. Definitely an eggnog flavor. I love it because y'all know I love sweet stuff. The next thing that I got is this Tatcha, what is it called? Face wash. Hello. I got the rice wash. I just wanted like an everyday face wash staple that I can use. I have noticed if I don't keep consistent with a certain type of face wash, I'll start breaking out. So I really don't want that to happen to me. And that's why I picked this up. It's a soft cream cleanser. I have tried a mini of it and I absolutely love it. It's a higher price point, which is why I thought it'd be great to buy in the sale. And it's just something that you can use every day and it's not going to drive your skin crazy. And then on another Tatcha line, I did go ahead and buy this. Some of these are gonna be gifts. This is one of them. This is the Ritual AM PM Plump and Repair. I've used the dewy one. Your skin will be so plump and like lush afterwards. And then the full size Indigo Overnight Repair is also really good. I'm obsessed with both of these and they both smell really good and not too overwhelming. It's like perfect for nighttime, I feel like. And then I did go ahead and get the Sephora Favorite skincare must-haves. This is also a gift, but I'm just gonna open it a little bit for y'all because it's not glued shut, so you guys can see how big the products are that come in here. It comes with the Face Glaze Highlighting Gel Cream. I've never tried this, but I've heard really good things. It does come with an Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair. This is a pretty good size to be coming in a pack, and this is $58, so you know, these are higher end skincare products. I think it's a pretty good deal, and I've tried this before and I love it. It comes with the Edam Cloud Cushion Airy Brightening Moisturizer. I've not heard of this brand before, so I'm curious to see what this would be like. If you guys want me to review all of the products together, I can totally do that, but a lot of these I have tried myself already and I already know that I like them, so that's why I thought it would be a great gift for somebody. I also got the Sol de Janeiro body butter. This is Cheirosa 59. This is more of the like jasmine-y scent. I love it. It's so good for winter too, I feel like. And then it comes with a mini polypeptide cream. This one's pretty small, but this is Drunk Elephant. Their products are crazy expensive. And then we've also got a mini of the Ole Henriksen Banana Bright Eye Cream. This is tiny. be for real with me right now. This is like 1 week of skincare, but again, this is another pretty high-end brand, so at least the person will get to try it. I think the Banana Under Eye Brightening Cream is for certain people because I have dark circles, but it did not brighten my eyes, I'm not gonna lie. It kind of just moisturized them, and I think that's because I have really like thin skin, and what I need is like plumpers. It also comes with the Dr. Jart Ceramidin Skin Barrier Moisturizing Cream. I've never tried this personally, but I also heard it's pretty good. I've tried the Dr. Jart masks, and those are fire. And then the Supergoop Unseen Sunscreen. I've tried this. It works really well on my skin. I'm not really picky about my SPFs though, so if you guys think otherwise, let me know. And then it also comes with the Kale and Green Tea Spinach Vitamin Superfood Cleanser. I've tried this. It's really good for every day in my opinion. And then also got the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow PHA and BHA Pore Tight Toner. I don't believe in nothing that's pore tightening, I'll be honest, because I've tried this too and it didn't tighten any pores. I feel like that's just not a good way to describe it. I think it's just more to clarify the skin and, you know, smooth the skin, but you can't really tighten pores. That's what I know, at least from skincare. If you guys know of any products or techniques that actually do, let me know. So I did go ahead and get the Dyson Airwrap, the Strawberry Bronze and Blush Pink edition. I am tired of ruining my hair every time I use like one of those pull ones. I have the Revlon airbrush. Every time I use it, I can feel the hairs I have like snapping. I do have a lot of hair, but it's very thin. So honestly, like, it gets heat damage pretty quickly. I hope that this will help me with styling and dry time. So I did go ahead and use the product today. I used it about a couple hours ago and you can see that the curls are still holding in my hair. Everything looks pretty even, and honestly, like, I'm surprised it hasn't dropped at all because I didn't even use any hair products at all. I only used my little blowout cream, but I didn't put any like holding spray or anything. But this is the gorgeous Dyson Airwrap packaging. It's massive. It's literally twice the size of my head, but it does fit all of the stuff that comes with it. So I'm gonna go ahead and just open it up and show you guys a little bit. I love that this is the pink edition. I think that's what literally sent me over the edge, which is like so stupid, but in previous times, every single year I've debated getting it for the Sephora sale, but I'm always just like, oh, it's so dang expensive. This is what the inside of the Dyson looks like. Again, I did use it already, so we have some loose pieces here, but look at how gorgeous this is. I love the color. So today I did use just the barrel. This is the one that you use to kind of just use the curls. There's also a thicker one if you guys have more hair or want to do thicker, you know, blowout curls. I also used this piece, oops, upside down, this piece on my bangs. Then there's these two attachments that I'm really excited to use. These ones are going to be more for like the blowout where you're pulling or smoothing the hair. And then this I also used today. This is the smoothing hair dryer piece, and it says that you can use this dry on your hair too if you want to sort of push down some of the flyaways that you have. I am a flyaway queen. I think it's really helping. Like, you guys are gonna be seeing me in my non-baby hair flyaway era. And then also it comes with a nice little comb that also has the pink little detail on the side. This is, you know, with the wiring and everything like that, what it looks like. It's got this really cool like blue sort of buttons on the side, which are kind of unexpected because it is sort of like supposed to be a pinky vibe, but Dyson kind of likes to be a little quirky with their colorways, so I appreciate it. I think it's cool. That is it for today's haul, you guys. Let me know what you think. What was your favorite product that I picked up? Was there anything that you guys picked up that you guys recommend to me, because I'm always on the hunt? And I think the most surprising purchase for me was the Dyson Airwrap. I'm still like, oh my god, I can't believe I bought that. But I hope that it will cut down on the amount of effort that I put into my hair. But don't forget to subscribe before you go, like the video, comment down below what was your favorite product from today. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!